Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 67665 Subaru Camber Kit. Replace the factory non-adjustable rear lower control arm with this adjustable arm to dial in plus or minus 2 degrees of rear camber change on many popular Subaru models. SPC's control arm kit also includes a sensor bracket. Always follow proper safety precautions associated with all the equipment used in this video. Read the installation instructions thoroughly. This part should only be installed by personnel who have the necessary skills, training, and tools to do the job correctly and safely. Incorrect installation can result in personal injury, vehicle damage, and/or loss of vehicle control. Before removing any parts, determine how much camber change you will need. Lift rear of vehicle and remove tire and wheel assembly. Place magnetic camber gauge, SPC part number 81139, on the rotor and zero the gauge. Remove the original equipment upper control arm from vehicle. Elongate inboard frame bracket holes using an angled die grinder and 1/4 or 3/8 inch bits. SPC part number 85125. Another excellent way to elongate the holes is using a SPC slot punch, part number 74940. Using the slot punch is quicker and easier, and it makes a more uniform adjustment hole. Holes should be elongated 2 mm for each degree of camber change needed, up to 4 mm maximum. Note, elongate holes outward for positive camber, inward for negative camber. It is not necessary to elongate holes in both directions. Reinstall original equipment upper control arm, leaving both attachment bolts loose. Knuckle may need to be raised to align holes so arm can be reinstalled. Prep the SPC lower control arm by tightening the clamp bolt and the cam nut bolt until play is removed, but the arm can still be adjusted as the cam nut is rotated. Remove original equipment lower camber arm and install the SPC adjustable lower camber arm in its place, leaving both attachment bolts loose. A small bracket is provided for vehicles which have a sensor attached to the left-hand arm. Consulting bubble gauge, adjust camber as desired by turning cam nut. Tighten bolt through cam nut to lock setting, then tighten clamp bolt. Torque specs for both bolts is 45 foot-pounds. Install wheel and tire assembly, lower car onto tires, and jounce suspension to settle. Tighten all upper and lower control arm attachment bolts to manufacturer's specification. Tightening fasteners with vehicle in the raised position may cause premature bushing failure. Verify camber is as desired. If adjustment is necessary, loosen inboard upper control arm bolt, adjust SPC lower arm, and retorque all fasteners to proper specifications when finished. Adjust toe using OE cam bolt. If factory toe cam requires replacement, use SPC part number 67667. If you need to replace the bushing as well, part number 67668 includes the replacement bushing and adjustment cam. Complete alignment and road test the vehicle. For over 40 years, Specialty Products Company has been designing, testing, and manufacturing world-class alignment and suspension solutions. For more information, visit us online at www.spc-tv.com.